Hey guys, so today is Friday, January 16, 2026. And make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If you like my video or if you don't like my video, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel viewers. And also, if you like it or share this video, the more videos coming up and ready to begin. Alright guys, today's Mega Marble Run Pit with part 6 with Brown. Here we go. Alright, let's begin. Yesterday we did part 5 with Pink, so now we're gonna be the Brown. Here we go. Alright, we made it to the Brown. Now let's pray. Alright, here I go. This is so spin. Oh, we're gonna go down the slide. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go. This is gonna be the biggest drop. Whoa, whoa, Yes! We made it! Oh my god, I can't believe we made it. I don't know what is that, but let's see what happens. Tomorrow's gonna be part 7 with this. I don't know if it's gonna be covered, but okay. So we already played a Mega Marble Run Pit with Brown. But guys, if you subscribe in the next 10 seconds, which will be you guys subscribe. So subscribe in the next 7 seconds so we can hit 200 subscribers. Alright guys, have you subscribed yet? So we can hit 200 subscribers. Did anybody subscribe on Kevin's channel, everyone? So we can hit 200 subscribers. We still need 52 subscribers left. Still 148 subscribers on Kevin's channel still. So about to end this video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If you like my video or if you don't like my video, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to down below the descriptions or share this video. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys and peace out guys, and see you guys later guys tomorrow guys for now.